Hi everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you how you can get extra views on your YouTube channel using the strategy that I'm going to be telling you. So make sure you stick till the end because you don't want to just skip around from place to place, right? You just want to watch it all the way till the end, so that way you can understand like what's the concept I'm trying to explain to you. So if you also go to my community tab, this is a brand new channel that I've started using this exact strategy, right? This is only the second video that I posted on the channel, so I know this method really works. And if you start to implement, look at the views, right? And this is all coming from browse features because the people are actually coming on our channel, and once people are actually watching these videos a lot, and is getting a lot of traction, right? Using these same strategies that I'm going to be just sharing with you now, right? So, but if this is your first time on my channel, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and on this channel, I share with you how I actually get results on YouTube automation business that I do, right? And you can also see my students' interviews that I did, and you can see the training that I did. So if you're new, this is the first video that you want to watch for you to understand how YouTube automation works, so that way you can start earning money from YouTube automation channel, right? So the method that I'm going to be sharing with you is utilizing Instagram. Instagram is blowing up like crazy, and there's a lot of people making a lot of money, right? There's like affiliate marketers making a lot of money, and also YouTube channels are also doing the same method just to get extra views on their channels, right? So, and the thing that we're going to be doing is utilizing reels, right? We don't want to do any posting, we just want to do reels. So whatever niche you are actually into, I'd say cut the video. For if your video is like 12 minutes, 13 minutes, 8 minutes long, what you're going to do is just cut like 7 seconds of that short video, and you're just going to put that video on Instagram, right? And when you're going to post that video, make sure you put that link in here for your YouTube channel, right? So, and that way you can just tell people, if you like our content here, make sure you click the link in the bio to watch our longer form content, right? Longer videos. And utilizing this same method, I've been able to blow up this channel like crazy, and it's working really fine. So I know this method is working really well. So if you utilize this, all you have to do is just go and create yourself a Instagram account. It's free to create, you don't have to pay anything, right? And you can also do the same method on TikTok, right? So you can just put the YouTube channel link in your actual bio, and on every video that you're going to be doing, right, you're just going to be doing a like, call to action, like not all the videos, but some of the video that you're going to be doing, you're going to be just doing a call to action, so that way people can actually go to your link in the bio, click on it, and come to your channel and start watching those videos, right? Because this is a very niche specific audience. So if you're making a channel about make money online, all your content on Instagram will be related to make money online, right? So that's how you actually going to get a lot of audience coming to your channel. And look at my channel, right? I've already got like between 85 subscribers, right? This is new subscribers, and this video I didn't post long ago. I posted this like 4 hours ago. It's already got 12,000 views, but if I look at now, it's already got like 20,000 views on the channel, on that actual video, right? So utilize this method. Hope it helps you to get more momentum and more traction on your channel. And this method really works, especially if you're just struggling to get views on your channel. Utilize all this platform, Instagram and TikTok, and just utilize the reels because it's just blowing up like crazy. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I will talk to you in the next coming video. Bye for now.